Oh my God. Okay. Hi guys, and welcome to Hot Gear. And today, we have probably the biggest unboxing we've ever done. This is the DJI Power 2000. And it's a 2048 watt-hour power bank, basically. So let's see if we can open it. And you know what? It weighs quite a bit. You can see here, we've never had a gadget on Hot Gear that actually had its own trolley. That's how heavy this is. So I'm gonna just watch my back because we're all old now. Oh my God. Okay. Hi. Good. Hi. Just gonna pull it out from plastic. Charles patulong. Okay, this is it. This is a DJI Power 2000. So it's a new generation of DJI's power stations. And does it power on? It's powering on. Okay, so this is basically, alam mo na before, there were always these gasoline power generators, diba? Today, this is the replacement for it. So the advantage of having a genset na power bank is you can run this inside the house. Because before with the gasoline ones, you couldn't actually run them inside the house. But here, because it doesn't emit anything, you can just charge it and run it, no? So I'll open some of the other stuff also. These are the 200 watt solar panels. A MacBook Pro would charge maximum 140 watts, 130 watts, something like that. So this can technically charge a MacBook at its maximum speed on its own. But the nice thing about having solar for a battery station like this is basically you're completely off-grid na. So this has some applications, I'm sure Joel will agree. You can actually use this while camping, or you can use it while you're off-grid. Kind of heavy, but I think for modern day solar panels, that's a given. Look at that. Okay. So this is what a 200 watt solar panel looks like. That's medyo impressive. Kasi as far as I can tell, this one's weatherproof, so it should be able to be fine in the rain. Most modern panels are. And then this is the way it hooks up through the solar interface into this one. So let's fold it up. I think it should be fine. We don't really have a sun bin to play with here. Put this aside muna. How heavy is this ba? It's quite heavy for solar panels, and so is this one. And you can tell it's heavy because the power station actually comes with its own trolley, because that's how heavy it is. So, some assembly required. Hindi siya ganun kadali lang na we're gonna be able to use it agad. But basically, this trolley is designed for this power bank. Okay, so set this aside muna. Let's talk a little bit more about the main event. So the DJI Power 2000 is 2048 watt hours. So it can do a stable output of 3000 watts. Now to put 3000 watts into perspective, your laptop MacBook Pro will charge about 140 watts. A Nespresso coffee machine would run at about 800 to 1000 watts. So technically, this one with 3000 watts stable output means you can run 3 Nespresso machines at the same time, and you should be completely fine. So 2048 watt hours, what does that really mean? Let's put that into perspective when it comes to charging your stuff. It can charge your phone. Charles, guess na lang, how many times can it charge your phone?
50.
114 times. It can charge your phone. It can charge a car ref for 38 hours. So if you have a ref, those refs that you put in the back of a car, 38 hours it can run. It can charge a laptop about 18 times without any problems. Oh my God. It can run an electric chainsaw for 56 minutes or an electric jackhammer for 2.4 hours. So all in all, this kind of power station, you can see it's huge, but you have your AC out here. So you just click the button and the AC runs, and you can plug in a normal gadget. So let's say charger. Because when you think power banks, you think like smaller gadgets. But as you can see here, you can literally just plug anything that takes 220 volts in. Yeah, so it's charging my phone now. So that's no problem. It can charge everything from phones, iPads, like anything you can plug into 220. You have that as an option. But if you don't want to use AC charging, which requires an inverter, you can turn this off, and then you can just use one of the 65 watt or 140 watt USB-C ports, or even USB-A ports. So total, you have 4 USB-A, 4 USB-C, 4 AC ports here, and then this is the charging port, and this is where the solar array goes in. This one, at 2048 watt hours, it can charge from 0 to 80% in under 45 minutes, which is kind of crazy. So if I plug this in now to the wall, with only 45 minutes, 0 to 80, it will charge faster than my iPad that's currently plugged in right now. So it's interesting. It's something that we're quite excited to test out. It's one of those products na for a lot of people, you don't really have that much of a need, but for us who we do a lot of shoots outside. So over the next few days, we'll try it out, we'll show you what it's like, and hopefully you can see what a power station like this can do and how it can replace something like an old-fashioned genset at home, or even just a big battery in a car. This is Carlo from Top Gear, and welcome to the biggest thing we've ever tested on Hot Gear.